Hi everyone! It is that time of the year where the mosquitoes are out, the ticks, and whatever kind of bug that wants to bite us. It's horrible. And for some reason, they love me. I don't know why. My husband can go out and not get any mosquito bites, and I will go out for 10 minutes and get 20. So this is something that I do at home. I make my own bug spray, and I know when I'm making this myself, use essential oils, all natural ingredients, and I don't have to worry about having to shower every time I go outside because I have this thick film of bug spray on me. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. So this is just a 4-ounce bottle, and when you're using essential oils, you do want to use glass, not plastic. And first, I'm going to use purification oil. And purification has, it's a blend of oils, and it has rosemary, citronella, and lemongrass, which you know citronella and lemongrass are two very common ingredients used in bug sprays. So I'm going to use 15 drops of this. And if you guys have a blend that you enjoy, please share it with me and put it in the comments, because I love learning new blends and new tricks. So if you guys have anything, I would love to hear about it. And so this next oil is lavender, which lavender is antimicrobial. It smells amazing. It doesn't want to come out. There we go. And this whole blend together actually smells amazing. So I'm just going to use a funnel to put the water in, and I pre-measured the water. This is just a distilled water. Best to use distilled. And I have to pre-measure this because if you just try to pour in a bunch of water, it'll probably overflow, and then you'll lose all those oils you already put in. And then the last thing, which you don't have to do this, but you can if you want to, is just add some witch hazel. And you just top off the bottle with the witch hazel. And that's it, guys. Super easy. I mean, this took me just a few minutes to do, and something you can definitely do at home. So that is it. And now we have an all-natural bug spray. You can use at home. You want to reapply it after every couple of hours. But yeah, thank you for your time.